Okay guys, this is a mobile on the Riverside Mobile Park, Whitecourt, Alberta. I just drove through the park and this is the only one I seen up private sale. So I called them a couple days ago and they're gonna come meet me here now. So I'll get to do a walkthrough. He had tenants and they done, I guess, a good amount of damage, as you can see. This is pretty typical of shitty tenants. Just leave a mess behind because they're just getting out of here, probably didn't pay rent, or well, that's usually what it is. It's they don't pay rent and then you kick them out and then they just bounce. So this looks like a little bit of a trail going up to a little shopping plaza. It's a good location. Aluminum windows, wood windows. The addition was built on. Skirting. Doesn't look insulated on the addition, at least. You can see probably no plumbing in the addition anyway, so not a big deal. Nice barbecue and wood stove. Deep freezer come with it. Looks like power's on according to that light, so hopefully heat trace is good and there's no frozen water lines, which is a big thing to look for in these mobiles. I see some insulation seeping out there, so the skirting's probably insulated. No shed there. Some crutches up there in case you need to walk somewhere and you're limping. Got some aluminum windows, holes in the wall, needs complete paint job, complete flooring job. We've got electrical panel, doesn't look too bad. It's always nice to have that list of where everything is so you don't have to go troubleshoot yourself. You got the hot water tank here. This buddy's saying about 7 years old. If you really want to get into it, you can check the date on them. I won't spend too much time on it. I'll find a date later. I'm not too concerned anyway. It's a gas powered, which is great. Save money on utilities. The water line's frozen right now. You can see there's heat tape on there and I checked it, but it's not that warm, so I think the heat tape is gone. Got valves going in the shower. I don't like these lines. I like the actual PEX better, but it's not leaking. No signs of leak. Well, there you go. You got some signs of leak in there, so maybe those are leaking. Bathtub doesn't look too bad. It's a big one. Decent sized bathroom. You know, it's a good ensuite, right? She says she doesn't know if the fridge works. Doesn't feel too bad. I'll throw it on cooler, and then maybe if I check again, it'll be colder. Kitchen cupboards are all down. They're over here. Not sure what their plan was with that, but could be redone. We got a skylight, which is pretty slick. I like that. Doesn't show any signs of leaking. The vent could be done. Stove is dirty, so it needs a full clean. Needs pretty much a whole redo. Got a fan in here. Decent sized living room. It's got an addition. Complete mess. Tenants left in the state. There's a bedroom off the addition. Big closet. Nice little electric heater there. Could dig that. And there's 2 other bedrooms, so it's potentially a 4-bedroom, which is really nice. 4 bedrooms are rent friendly. And the other bathroom, which looks redone. It looks like he went and redone the bathroom, which is not too bad. Some flooring, ceiling, and that fan. The rest good. Dishwasher. Just noticed that. Plumbing under there, look, this is all soft. You can tell that's been wet and saturated. So, complete redo. I'll get back to you with the numbers on the board.